So till now we discussed about electric field in scalar form. Now we are going to discuss electric field in vector form. This is very important in objective point of view. Problems are asked on the based on the electric field in vector form. Very important topic. How we define electric field in vector form. So this is xy plane. Let us consider a source charge q, capital Q. The position of the source charge from the origin is at this position. Position vector of source charge is R1 bar, and also there is a test charge Q naught is placed. The position of the test charge from the origin is R2 bar, position vector, and R21 bar is position of the test charge from the source charge. Now, if we move this test charge towards this charge, what happens? Due to the strong repulsion force between these two charges, this test charge is moving along this direction. That means direction of electric field is along this direction. What I said earlier, what is the direction of electric field? The direction of electric field is nothing but in the direction of motion of test charge. In the direction of motion of a test charge. So that's why the direction of electric field is along this direction. Now we write magnitude of electric field, that is equal 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Already we derived that equation in previous class. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. R square means distance between the source charge and test charge, that is equal R21. So R21 whole square. Right, in vector form, how we can write? E bar is equal to magnitude of electric field into unit vector of R21 cap. If unit vector of R21 is multiplied by the magnitude of electric field, then we get electric field in vector form. Here electric field and R21 are in the same direction. So in vector form, E bar is equal to mod E into R21 cap. But R21 cap is equal to, that means unit vector is equal to that vector by magnitude of that vector. R21 bar by mod R21. Do you know in first year how can you find out the unit vector of A bar? There is a formula. So A bar, the unit vector of A bar is nothing but A cap is equal to that vector by magnitude of that vector, A bar by mod A. Like that, here R21 cap is equal to that vector R21 bar divided by magnitude of that vector, mod R21. Right. We know the triangle law in first year. What is the triangle law in first year? If first two sides are taken in order, the closing side is taken in reverse order. Using that triangle law in vector, we write like that. Here this is a triangle, R1 bar along this direction, R1 bar is along this direction. This is the direction of R1 bar, okay, and this is the direction of R21 bar. These two are taken in order. What is the closing side? Closing side is this is taken in reverse order. That means if these are in clockwise, the closing side is in anti-clockwise. So R1 bar plus R21 bar is equal to third vector R2 bar. So R21 bar is equal, what we write here? R2 bar minus R1 bar. Substitute this value in this equation. So E bar is equal to, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by here R21 square, that means R2 bar minus R1 bar whole square, into here R21 cap is equal to what we write here? R21 bar by mod R21. That means R21 bar is equal to R2 bar minus R1 bar divided by mod R2 bar minus R1 bar. So here E bar is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by, here this is R2 bar minus R1 bar whole square. This is R2 bar minus R1 bar. That means R2 bar minus R1 bar whole cube into R2 bar minus R1 bar. This is the vector form of electric field. Vector form of electric field. This is very important. The objective problems asked on the basis of the electric field vector form, that we are going to discuss in next class, how they can ask.